no time. They're already into turn number 5 to 7. Now, here is the number of bikes trying to overtake each other. Despite the track division, this is where they will jostle for position. This is where you will see them running up. Now, this is the iconic parabola where you will find all the action up. Then down the parabola as they go, you will find multiple apexes, multiple lines. Wow, what a shot there. We've got a packed house here. A record number of attendants to watch the MotoGP. It's all happening out here on the full international circuit. You do not want to miss out the action. Ladies and gentlemen, get